나발레 계산발로라야 잠디 디스트레이치 디슈에인 nga chuchidoji kozang genzo yin terin ge lenje serona ge leje din nang phe ge thokbu ningba Vijay Kranti lagi phumi chongkang kha ge nang gyana ne sudu chebe ngweje mangbu shi chongge yobatang hakbar do phumi dikzu ge kengor na yebe chongkang kha ge nang gyana ge ngweje mangbu shi chongge yudu te phe ge thokbu zola tongzu yago shi dyun tu ge mebar de 총파츠 배든 토라 고도 배마도 비양 수수 최동 말라바 체규 개침부 임베고 예자리 계지 배든 겹주 속배 믹세 손두급 위제 관딜라네 공주 송파식 샴라 수든 쉬유
Sorry, this time I'm going to have a little difficult kind of words. I really appreciate Honorable Si Kyung's idea that when visitors come to places like, monasteries or the sweater sellers go around, they can inform their customers or other people through apps or whatever it is. But one thing I would suggest, which I'm sure you can do it. There is very next door canteen. We are going there every day these days. And this is same thing happening in places like Leh, Tibetan market, Majnu Ka Tila, Delhi market, and here also, that Tibetan sellers are selling Chinese goods. In this canteen, the whole rack is full of tissue papers from China. I don't know, those tissue papers in India are not made. It gives a very bad impression to the friends of Tibet who are so dedicated to the cause of Tibet, and they find a Tibetan canteen which is very much inside the CTA complex, having a full rack full of Chinese made tissue papers. So I'm not condemning any person there. My suggestion is, if your leadership can give this kind of instructions and education to Tibetans, if they cannot educate the guests about the cause of Tibet, at least they should not appear to be oblivious to their status and selling the Chinese goods. Thank you. Sorry for pointing out, but I think it was necessary.